10 for 10,000, day 42. Here we have an Advent calendar. All the numbers up through the birth of Jesus Christ. We have every day set up. Really important to remember the focus of season. So today, thinking about something creative to do for Jesus Christ. My mom, and her amazing sewing skills, made this. My goodness, we grew up with it. There was 5 children, so we all grew up with that. And now I pass it on to my kids. So my daughters, their responsibility is to set up every day. So I think just when we create things, we're exercising our gift from God, and we are using the skills that He blessed us with. And my mom's skill of sewing has blessed our family growing up, and now my own children growing up. I love how when we create, we're using the same power that our Heavenly Father blessed all of us with as well. It's amazing. So today, as you go off, I would love to see your creative skills and what you can create through writing, through painting, through sewing, through maybe you're really good at becoming friends with another person. That would be cool too. So create today. Create for Christ. In the creations that have happened in my life, again, that helped us to escape from the abuse that we suffered from. And in creation, life is given. So I hope you have a gift of life today, creation, and enjoy your day on this starting of the 12 days of Christmas. We'll see you later.